Hey guys, good morning. Part five of GameStop. There's a huge gap that got created at 167. Too much selling power on GameStop right now. I don't think it's. I think we already peaked. I think we hit peak in pre-market, and I think from right now the shorts are going to win today, and I think they're going to push the price down all the way back to 166. Again, yesterday's news was pretty great. It was if anything it was a pretty awesome miracle that happened. But I don't see GameStop being bullish at all today. Not even close. There's way too much. There's way too much bear momentum to the downside. Every single thing on the chart is still bearish. So it's extremely hard for me to be bullish right now towards any other number. I think as of right now, we are going to go all the way down back to 167, and I think the drop already started. I think there's too many people selling, or either that, or there's a bunch of shorts happening right now that like maybe double loaded at open. But yeah, I think we're going to go down. I don't think we're going to rebound from here. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.